The heart is obviously, its main job is pumping blood throughout your body, but it also has an endocrine function. Atrial natriuretic factor is formed by special cells within the atria, and when it is secreted, it has the job of lowering blood pressure. Adipose tissue is another tissue that we think about as mostly storage of lipids that can be used for energy later. And adipose has a huge function in insulating and cushioning our internal organs, and cushioning subcutaneous adipose is helpful for cushioning your body. Adipose tissue makes two hormones. Leptin is secreted by the adipose tissue and acts back on the hypothalamus to suppress appetite. And adipokines that are secreted by adipose tissue and are involved in the inflammatory response. In summary, I would like you to be able to list the other endocrine tissues that are not controlled by the hypothalamus and pituitary. I'd like you to know what hormones they produce and what are the actions of these hormones. Once you have a grip on all of this information, you'll be ready for the assessment.